I have dealt with burnout a few times in my career. In fact, I had, one job that I was in that I became so burnt out, I had to leave and I had to find something else. I had to do that just for my own mental health. So burnout is a real thing in the industry, even just thinking outside of content creation. But sometimes it's a struggle, right? There's times that I don't want to do a podcast, or there are times I don't want to write a blog, or think about what the next thing that I want to talk about, or how can I continue to contribute to the community. And I think all content creators struggle with that at times. But what keeps me motivated to keep doing it is really the comments and the impact that I feel that my contributions are making to somebody's career. So I'm really big on mentoring, mentorship in general. I have several mentors myself that I've had through my career. I continuously also seek mentors for whatever is next in my career, and I encourage others to do the same. So that to me is probably one of the greatest things that I've been fortunate to have is really good mentors that have led me along the way.